everybody, welcome back to my channel. CockyRetrospect here. Today I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. I washed and deep conditioned it last night, and then I'm gonna be heading out today, but I was like, I might as well just come on here and show you guys how I blow dry my hair. So my hair is divided up into 4 quadrants, and I usually start on the back first, so we will do just that. Awesome. Okay, so when I blow dry my hair, I definitely do moisturize it, and I do moisturize it with heavy products. I don't mind that. I'm not looking for like a very sleek blow dry, but I'm just looking to like stretch my hair. I'm gonna take my Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore anti-breakage spray, and I just spray some into my I just spray some into my palm like this, and then I apply it to my hair. As for the deep conditioner that I use, I actually use the one from this line, so the Jamaican black castor oil from Shea Moisture deep conditioner, and then I honestly just like set that into my hair all night long, and I rinsed it out in the morning. I just really didn't have the energy to rinse my hair out last night, so. Alright, so I'm just gonna add a little more to each individual section. And then I'm actually gonna go in with my Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Hair Smoothie. To help with smoothing my hair, I add a tiny bit of argan oil. Rub that in. Argan oil is really good for shine, smoothing, and detangling. It's amazing for detangling. There you go. And then the last step, and I know this feels like a lot of products, and it probably is for a lot of other people, but for me, I definitely feel like I don't want to incur any heat damage while I blow dry my hair, so I definitely layer on the products. Again, I'm not gonna like flat iron my hair or anything like that, so I honestly don't mind if it's a little weighed down with like some products, as long as it just stays nice and healthy. And then the last thing I use is the Chi Iron Guard. I find it to be a really good thermal protection spray. Again, I just spray it into my hands, and then I run it through my hair, and that's it. In terms of actually blow drying, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry with my Dyson blow dryer. I already have my attachment on, and usually I do low heat and low speed. And here we go. You can see just about how long. Ooh, it's not even in frame, but I'll show you guys better when I'm actually done. But yeah, that's piece done, and that took me a little too long, so let's try and hurry this up.
Though I didn't really include the footage for this, I did apply all of the products that I mentioned in the beginning to every single smaller section that my hair was divided into. I really can't stand when my hair feels super dry and brittle after I blow dry it without much product, so these are just the products that I use for the most part, and I do switch it up at times. As you can see, when I blow dry my hair, I only use the tension method. I don't chase my hair with any tools or anything like that. Again, just going for a stretched style, and my hair does get pretty stretched with the tension method, as you'll be able to see at the end. Every time I'm done one of the 4 quadrants, I just go ahead and give it a cool blast of air. This just helps to close the cuticle and seal in the moisture.
Done, finally. Okay, so I finally finished my hair. That took me a little over 2 hours. That is typically the time that it takes for me to blow dry my hair, so I was expecting that, so it wasn't that bad. And so here it is. This is my hair blow dry, all nice and stretched. I'm gonna lower the camera just so you guys can see the length of it. Okay. So that's it right there. This is what it looks like from the front when I bring everything to the front. This is what it looks like from the back. And that is what my hair looks like when it is all blow dried out. Again, like I said, it took about 2 hours to do. I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it up so that when I take it out, it's nice and crimped. And yeah, that's how I'm gonna wear it. So yeah, that's my hair. Feels nice and full too. Awesome. Okay, great. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!